Today I'm going to show you some two-handed flip combos using a block transition. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be learning the last set of two-handed flip combos, which use a block transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your punch transition down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. A block transition is anytime you land a trick with 2 feet at the same time, make an adjustment, and then take off into a second trick with 2 feet at the same time. The first combo is going to be a pop round off to a spin pop round off. So you're going to do your pop round off and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to step around to a frontside stance and throw your second pop round off. The second combo is going to be a slant spring to a spin pop round off. So you're going to do your slant spring and again land in a backside stance. And from there, you're going to step around to a frontside stance and throw your pop round off. Since we're only focusing on the transition of these two moves, you can start with a spin in the beginning if you want to or not. It's up to you. Here's some tips that can hopefully help you out. Make sure that when you land, you're staying on your toes, and when you jump to your next trick, you're staying on your toes. Make sure that you're keeping your arms up by your ears, pushing through your shoulders rather than just locking out your elbows. And always make sure that you're focused on the move that you're doing as you're doing it. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. And if you would like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Next, we'll be getting into two-handed flip kicks, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.